Your job doesn't care about you. When I realized this, after almost getting fired, I started looking for ways to make money online. ChatGPT stuck out to me. I had no idea what I was doing at first. Eventually, I decided to combine ChatGPT with everything I knew about affiliate marketing. Over time, I created a simple but powerful system that was making me $1,000 a day. In this video, I'm going to break down my system step by step so that you can start taking control of your life by creating another income stream, just like I did. Step 1. Pick a product to promote. Affiliate marketing is the foundation here. You find a product someone else created, promote it, get people to buy it using your affiliate link, and earn a commission when people buy using that link. You're not making the product or handling customer support, you're just pointing people to something they might want. I use ClickBank because it's packed with options and easy for beginners. Once you're signed up, go to the Marketplace section. Type in a topic you're interested in, like health, software, or home improvement, and a list of products will come up. Look for one that pays at least $5 per sale, because lower amounts take too long to add up. When you find a product that looks good, click Promote. Generate your affiliate link, and save it in a text file or a Google Doc on your computer. That links your starting point. I chose a health tool first because it was something I could see myself using, and that made it easier to talk about naturally. You don't have to lock into one product forever. The idea is to experiment and grow. If that health tool brings in $50 a month, you can add a software tool next month for another $50. Over time, these commissions pile up, creating income that keeps coming without you doing the heavy lifting of product creation. ClickBank has thousands of products, so you're not shooting in the dark. You're choosing from what's already selling. Spend a little time browsing because this decision shapes everything that follows. It's not about picking the perfect thing right away. It's about starting with something solid and learning as you go. Step 2. Make a landing page. Now that you've got your affiliate link, you need a way to capture leads before sending people straight to it to buy. I used to think just sharing the link everywhere would work, but I was wrong. Most people don't buy the first time they see something. There's this idea called the Rule of 7, which means people need to interact with you or your offer about 7 times before they trust you enough to spend money. A landing page helps with this. It's just a basic web page where people enter their name and email address before heading to your affiliate link. This lets you keep their contact information so you can reach out later and build a relationship. I use Card for this because it's free and doesn't require any tech skills. Click on Login, then on Sign Up. Sign up for a free account. Once you're logged in, start a new site from scratch. Add a text headline at the top. If I'm promoting a health tool, I can put something simple like "Discover my secret health tools that have added 20 years to my life." Make it clear and to the point, so people know what they're getting into. Below that, add a form with just 2 fields, name and email. I learned that asking for more, like a phone number or address, makes people hesitate and leave the page. Change the form's button text to "Get Access Now," and maybe adjust its color to blue in the settings panel, just to make it pop a bit. In the settings menu, set it to redirect to your affiliate link after someone submits the form. Click Publish, and you'll get a free URL. Save that URL in your text file or Google Doc alongside your affiliate link. This landing page isn't about being flashy or complicated, it's about doing one job well. When someone lands on it, they're curious about your product. They fill out the form, click the button, and go to the affiliate page while you hold on to their email. Without this step, you're missing out on most of your potential. If 100 people click your link directly, maybe 5 buy right away. With a landing page, you've got all 100 to work with over time, and more will buy as they get familiar with you. I always test mine by entering a fake name and email to see if it flows smoothly. You should do the same. It's your way of turning one-time visitors into long-term possibilities. Step 3. Drive traffic to your landing page. With your landing page ready, you've got to start bringing people to it, and ChatGPT's the tool that makes this manageable. I was blown away when I first saw how fast it can write content, taking something that used to feel overwhelming and making it simple. It can create posts for social media, scripts for videos, or articles for blogs, all designed to point people to your landing page. Head over to ChatGPT and create an account if you don't have one already. Once you're logged in, you'll see this chat box where you can type instructions. I can give a prompt like this. Write a 280-character post about niche that hooks readers and ends with a call to action to check the link in my bio. Use clear, easy-to-understand language and make it a bit conversational. Swap out the niche or topic for something that's relevant to you. You'll get a short piece of text you can use. Copy it and post it on your X account, which you can make all about health. Make sure to link your landing page in your bio. That's one way to get it out there, reaching people on social media platforms. But I don't just leave it at that. I'll also tell ChatGPT to write a 200-word blog post about the benefits of staying healthy, with a space for me to add my landing page link where appropriate. My landing page has this text on top: discover my secret health tools that have added 20 years to my life. Use clear, easy-to-understand language and make it a bit conversational. It will give me a full article that I can post on Medium, a free blogging site. This post isn't just random words thrown together. It's meant to catch people's attention and tie into what your product offers. ChatGPT's value is in how it saves time and lets you focus on sharing instead of writing from scratch. I started doing this daily, and I noticed clicks coming in little by little. You can adjust what it gives you, maybe shortening a post for X or expanding it for a blog. The point is to get your landing page URL in front of people where they're already looking for solutions. It's not about hoping for one big break. It's about putting out consistent content that builds traffic over time. You're not forcing anything. You're offering something useful, and ChatGPT helps you say it right. I keep it straightforward, and you should too, letting it handle the words while you handle the posting. Step 4. Set up and run your email list. Now, you need to actually follow up with the people who give you their email on your landing page, because that's where the real connection happens. I figured out pretty quickly that one interaction isn't enough to seal the deal. You've got to build trust, and that takes reaching out more than once. MailerLite's a free tool I rely on to send these emails automatically. Sign up for a free account. Once you're logged in, connect it to your card form by copying their API key from the integrations section and pasting it into Card's form settings. That links every email that comes through to MailerLite's list. Now you need a message to send. Go back to ChatGPT and type, write a welcome email for new subscribers interested in health tools. Swap in your product topic. You'll get an email you can tweak if you need to. In MailerLite, go to Campaigns, create a new one, and paste that email into the editor. Add a subject line like, hey name, here's that tool I promised. Save it. Then head to Automation, start a new workflow, and set the trigger to when someone subscribes. Add your email as the action, save it, and turn it on. From then on, every new lead gets this message without you touching it. I keep mine short, around 50 words, and slip in a small witty sentence just before the link, like PS, did you drink your 2 liters of water today? It's not just about selling. It's about giving your subscribers something useful so they feel you're on their side. When I set this up, I tested it with a fake email and watched it hit my inbox, confirming it worked. This isn't a one-time blast. It's the beginning of keeping in touch. People don't buy from someone they don't know. They buy when they feel you're genuine, and this email starts that process. It runs itself, so you're free to focus on the next part. Step 5. Get attention traffic. Traffic's what keeps this whole thing alive, and you've got to work at it every day to see results. You've got your affiliate link, your landing page, your content, and your email follow-ups in place. Now it's about getting people to see it all. I started with free methods because I wasn't in a spot to spend money I hadn't earned yet. There are plenty of places to do this, like X, YouTube, forums, Facebook groups, and even TikTok. ChatGPT helps you make the most of them. I'll ask it. Suggest 5 trending topics in health tools for a YouTube video using my product's niche. It'll give me a list of ideas. I'll pick one that sounds doable. Let's say I go for natural remedies. I can say, write a 5-minute YouTube script about natural remedies with a call to action to click the link in the description. Make it easy to understand and slightly conversational. ChatGPT will give me a script I can record with my phone, just me talking to the camera without any fancy equipment. I upload it to YouTube, title it Natural Remedies That Actually Work, and put my card URL in the description. That video stays up, pulling in views over time, sometimes weeks or months later. On X, I can search my niche like soccer health tips and look for posts with a lot of likes or replies. I'll copy the tweet, head over to ChatGPT and paste it in. Then I'll ask ChatGPT, write a 280-character reply to this health-related tweet. It will give me something I can tweak, and I'll reply to those posts, maybe 3 or 4 a day. It's subtle, fitting into the conversation, and brings clicks without sounding pushy. Forums are another spot I use. On Reddit, I search health and join a group like RR Health. I can post my Medium article URL with a note like, "This has helped me feel so much better. I can't believe more people don't talk about this." I make sure it fits the rules so I don't get kicked out. I aim to post 3 times a week across these platforms, switching up where I focus. Traffic doesn't come in one big rush. It's lots of little wins. An X reply might get 10 clicks, a video 50, a forum post 20. It all adds up over time. I scale this by adding more affiliate links as I go. If one link earns $100 a month, 5 can bring $500, and 10 might hit $1,000. It's not about waiting for luck. It's about showing up consistently, day after day, and letting the numbers grow. If you have any questions about this business model, I made a community where I personally answer your questions and guide you, step by step, to make your first $1,000 online. When you join AI Income Friends today, you'll get access to ready-made templates, tools, and cheat sheets to speed up your progress. Click the first link in the description for instant access to everything. Will you be trying this ChatGPT affiliate marketing method out? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.